Good day once again. This time around we are going to consider using formula method to solve some quadratic equations and then see how these equations can be resolved with ease using this method. So the subject still remains mathematics. The subject still remains mathematics. And the topic we are going to consider once again is a quadratic equation. The topic remains quadratic equation. This time around we are going to try as much as we can to see how we can use the formula method to resolve any quadratic equation. Alright, the method we are going to put or use is a formula method. Formula method. This method is one of the four methods that can be applied in solving any quadratic equation. Okay, so the method is generally represented, formula method is generally represented by this expression: x is equal to minus b plus upon minus root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So that is it. That is the general representation of formula method. Or we can still write it for clarity purpose. Let's just put it the way it can be seen clearly. X is equal to minus b plus upon minus root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Okay, so this is the general formula that one can use to solve any quadratic equation. Okay, having said that, question number one. The question we are going to consider this time around is given as follows. Question number one is find the roots, remember it's roots, of the equation given as follows, given as thus. Okay, the equation is very simple. The equation is very simple. We have different types of quadratic equations, so this one is another simple one that one can easily solve with ease. So we have 2x squared minus 3x minus 5 all equal to 0. This is a direct quadratic equation. So solving this will not be a problem. Okay, what we're going to do is just to consider the coefficients and the constant term. Then substitute wisely in the formula provided. That's all. Solution. We start. Solution. Our solution, first of all, we put down the question: 2x squared minus 3x minus 5 all equal to 0. All right. The next thing, or rather the next step we are going to consider here is the coefficients. Okay. The coefficient A is equal to 2 at this point. The coefficient B, the coefficient of x, which is B, is equal to minus 3. And the constant term C is just equal to minus 5. Okay? The next step is to, having known the values of these letters, the next step we are going to carry out, or we are going to do, is to substitute the values of these letters in the formula provided. So the formula provided is very simple that we can use it with ease and then solve whatever question that is given to us. So the first one we are going to look at is x is given as minus in the formula provided. Then the value of b here is minus 3. I think it's very simple as that. Okay, minus 3 should be enclosed in brackets, then plus upon minus roots, square roots. We are going to consider the content of the square roots. The content of the square root is b b². We're going to consider the first content. The second content is minus 4ac. That is the content. These are the contents of the square root. So b² here, the value of b is minus 3. At this point, it has to be squared. Okay. So bracket minus 3 squared minus 4, which is in the formula provided. Then the value of a. The value of a is 2. We are going to substitute 2 in place of a in the formula. And then substitute minus 5 in place of c in the formula. The same thing happens here. Okay, we have times 2 times minus 5. Okay, so that is it. All over 2 times 2. 2 times 2. Look at it. 2 times the value of a, which is 2. That's all. The next step is to simplify all we have substituted and then try and see how the roots can come out. Okay. We have here minus minus. Look at this point. Minus minus becomes plus. Minus multiply minus, we change the value into plus, positive. Okay? We return our plus upon minus, square roots. Alright, minus 3 at this point, squared. Of course, return positive and the value increase. 9. Okay? The value will now increase to 9. Then minus minus, look at this. Minus multiply minus. Automatically we change this to plus. Okay? Change this to plus. So that is it. Then we now clear out. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 2 is 8. Then 8 times 5. We give what? 40. 40. So we have 40. And that is it. All over 2 times 2, which is just 4. Next step, we give 3 plus or minus roots. The next step now is 9 plus 40 is 49. 49 all over 4. Okay, so that is it. The next thing we are going to consider, the next step we are going to consider is to find the square root of 49, and then we simplify for further this thing, to find the square roots, the roots of the expression. So x remains 3 plus or minus square root 49. Square root of 49 is just 7 all over 4. Okay. Finding the roots. The roots now, x. Okay. Boils down to x1 and then x2. Remember I said earlier that I use x1 and the x2 as my own personal concept to differentiate the two roots. Okay. S could be positive or negative. Okay. So with that in mind, we move on to the next step, which is considering the fact we have plus and minus. So x1 is equals to 3 first. We go with plus. Plus 7 all over 4. We give 10 all over 4. Look at it. We give what? 10 all over 4. And finally, according to what we have now, we give a 2 whole number, all right? 1 all over 2. So x1 is simply 2 whole number, 1 all over 2. x2, 3 once again. This time around, we are going to use a minus. Minus 7 all over 4. And what we have here is minus 4 all over 4, which is invariably minus 1. Okay? That is it. Finally, x2 is equals to minus 1. Alright. Then summary. In summary, we have the following. In summary, the roots, in summary, okay, roots found x in this format, x1 is equal to 2 whole number 1 over 2, x2 is equal to minus 1. That is it. These are the two roots. These are the two roots of this quadratic equation solved. Thanks for your time.